What you cooking, Roach?
What ya cooking, Roach?
What's up, guys, and welcome to my channel, What You Cooking, Roach. Alright, and for those that are new to my channel, welcome. I really appreciate the love, so please consider subscribing and leave a comment, you guys. Let me know what you think. And also, I like them thumbs up too, okay? So I appreciate the support and love from everybody. So let's get these nachos started. Alright, now nachos can mean a lot of different things, because whenever I have leftovers from taco night, I make nachos, or we just make leftover tacos. In this case, we're gonna make nachos. Alright, so let's get that started. We're gonna start out with some tortilla chips. I didn't fry my tortilla to make my own this time, so we're gonna make a layer of that, and then we're gonna add in this Puerto Rican rice, because I had some Puerto Rican rice. So we're gonna put that down there. Now y'all know what's in this Puerto Rican rice, so you know what it's gonna be tasting. It's gonna give it, lift it and give it some fire. Alright, so we got that cheese down. Now we're gonna add in a few onions. I'm gonna add another layer of this taco meat. Alright, it's beef, ground beef, seasoned it myself. And we have some leftover beans. Now these ain't the refried, so put a little half on there because my husband doesn't like beans on his nachos, whatever. So put another layer of chips, another layer of cheese, add another layer of ground beef. It's all about layering. Alright, got some more cheese on there, got more cheese, yes. Alright, I'm gonna use that creamy shit. Let me melt this in the microwave real quick. Alright, for about 7 minutes until it's melted. Bam! There you go. Now that's nachos. This is gonna be fire. We're gonna add in a few ingredients here. We're gonna add in some this tortilla cheese. On top of that, we got some jalapeno peppers. Got this relish, Spanish relish that they have with onion and peppers in it, and sour cream. All right, so let's get this stuff ingredients on there. Yeah, this little relish here is really good. It got a hot, little spicy taste to it. All right, now there you go. That's my nachos. All right, now let's see what it tastes like. Put a little bit on the plate. Ooh-wee. Y'all, if y'all can smell this, it smells so good, tastes so good. Doesn't that look beautiful, y'all? So again, y'all, thanks for watching What You Cooking, Roach. I really appreciate all the love I've gotten and all of the support. So thank you.